Hey, what's up people, this is Abhijoy here, back again with another video. So previously we have shown you on the previous video, I've shown you how to install a virtual machine or the VirtualBox by Oracle onto your Windows PC or any other operating system, and in this video I will show you how to install an operating system onto your VirtualBox. So stay tuned and let's begin. So first you go to the link in the description, that is ubuntu.com, or you search here and you will be up to here on this site. So in this website you just go on, click on this download tab. Here on this download tab you will go for Ubuntu desktop. Then in the Ubuntu desktop you can see there are two versions. First one is Ubuntu 18.0.4.2, 18.4.2 LTS and 18.10. By the time I am making this video, that is 4th of March 2019. It will be different by the time you are watching this video. So this what is the difference between these two versions? First one is LTS. You can see the version is a bit older than the given below. That is the newer version, but it is on beta. It may have bugs, but on that top version, that is the LTS, it doesn't have bugs. It is a way more updated version, and it is LTS means that long-term support. Here you can see, which means 5 years until April 2003 of free security and maintenance update guaranteed, and this is all free. So here you can see it is 2 GHz dual core processor or better. It is the requirements. You can see 2 GB RAM memory, that is everyone has this one, 25 GB of hard disk space, either DVD or USB port installer, and internet access. You are watching this video, so you will surely have internet access. So click on this download one, first one, and just leave it as and you can see here it is given the download. Let us save this file. It is of 1.9 GB. I will skip this or fast forward this downloading process. You can see here previous video on VirtualBox I made and downloaded that one. You can see on the top right corner I button. Here you can see here. So let me fast forward this. It will take a long time, 1 hour it is saying. My internet connection is not good today, so wait for that time. I am fast forwarding. So the Ubuntu download has been finished. Here you can see the downloading has been finished, and I have moved it into a folder. So let's now open. Let's now see how to create a virtual machine for Ubuntu. So now first click on this new icon. Here you will need to give your computer name. Let me give you Ubuntu. Okay, so it automatically detects which one you are typing, and if not detecting, then click on this one, Ubuntu learn, then select here. First click select the type as Linux, and then the version as Ubuntu 64, and then click on next. And here let me give this memory size, that is the RAM. It is 1 GB. Let me give it 2 GB, that is 2048. Okay, then click on next, and here just leave it as it is, that is create a virtual hard disk. If you have already used an existing virtual disk, you can use that one, but as I am showing you for a new creations. So first you need to create a virtual disk drive. So for this you need to create a virtual hard disk now. So let's create, and the hard disk type will be VDI, virtual disk image. Select this one, it will be by default, and then click next. On this step you need to select dynamically allocated the storage and physical hard drive. It will be, if you give a fixed size, it will not increase later on if the drive gets full, and in dynamically it will increase the size of the file. It will increase the hard disk size if the size is finished, or if there is no size left. So it will add up from your computer storage into the virtual disk storage. So I will select dynamically allocated, and I prefer that one too, and it is also by default option also. Then click on next, and then here you just give what size you want of the hard disk. I will give it 30 GB, 32, okay, let it be, and then and then click on create, and here you can see it is now created, but we haven't allocated the Ubuntu, so we have not allocated the ISO file. So let us go to select Ubuntu here, and then go to settings. Here you will go to general, make some changes here. Snapshot folder, it is okay. Shared clipboard, make it bidirectional. Drag and drop bidirectional between your original OS and the virtual OS. Description no need, description no need. Come to system, here you can change your RAM later also. Just let it be clicked on. Processor, you can increase the processor to 1 core or 2 core. Let it be on 1 core, my one. 100% execution, acceleration okay. Display, let it be is equal to. In here, come to the storage part, and under controller, in this select this empty tab, and then click on the CD icon, and then choose virtual disk image. Now open that folder where you kept your disk image file, ISO file. Select that one. I have kept here Ubuntu, and then okay, and here you can see it is ubuntu.vdi. it has came, and then so after that one you can select up to here, and if you got that problem, then select this one. If you have a dedicated dedicated graphics card that is of AMD, etc., then select that one. If you have none, then select that one and click OK. So let it be okay, and then let's start this one. You can start from here, normal start, or you can start this directly. Select this one and directly click on start. Here it is again booting up. So here we are back again, and you can see the Ubuntu installation welcome screen. If you have made up to this far, then it is 90% completed of installation. Just you need to click on the selected language as your preferred. I will select English. If you are from another country, you can select another one. And this is the trial one, and this is the installation one. Then we will click on the installation one. We'll click on install Ubuntu, and let's wait. And here you can see the keyboard layout. It is the English US, let it be as it is, and then continue. Okay, no normal installation, utility software, minimal, no normal installation. Download updates while installing Ubuntu. Okay, let it download updates. This software is subject to license in terms of information, service priority. Let it also be there, and then continue. So this will take time, as before I have done. I will just skip this part. After, let's wait for this one. Here it is giving this computer currently has no detected operating system. What would you like to do? Is this an install Ubuntu? Okay. Deleting or erasing anything with a main drive. It is the virtual drive that we have created at the start, that is of 30 GB, and before the installation we have made. So it will deal with that one, not our main disk drive. So there is no fear in that. It is an install Ubuntu. Install now. So let us install this one, and then here you can see this one. Okay, let us continue. Okay, let me select. I am from Kolkata, so let me select. From India, it is Kolkata. Will automatically detect up to your GPS. Click continue. Here need to give my name, computer name, my name, uh, joy. Okay, so here it is already taken computer name. Okay, password. Let me give. It's a fair password, easy one. Okay, then continue. And here you can see it is installing the file. So this part I will just fast forward it, so you don't have to waste any time. And if any part comes that I need to tell you, so we'll begin up to on that part. So let's do it. Okay, so the installation is completed. So it is saying that installation is complete and we need to restart our VirtualBox. So let's restart, and Ubuntu is restarting. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification so that you get the notification. So stay tuned on the channel, and I will see you up in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace.